Picture yourself on a boat, paddling towards a beach. The waves push you back and forth. You paddle against the current to try and stay on course, only to be knocked off again soon after. I'm not trying to make you seasick. What I'm describing is a lot like managing a portfolio over time. You might have a clear goal in mind, but that goal can change, and your investments may not perform exactly as expected. So to stay on course, you'll need to tweak your portfolio from time to time. In this video, we'll show you how to get there by setting a goal, monitoring your investments, and rebalancing your asset mix. Thankfully, TD Easy Trade makes tracking the progress of your investments simple. You can kick things off by setting a goal in the Goals tab. Just answer a few questions about your investment plan, like when you want to achieve your goal, the types of securities you'll hold, and the average return you're expecting. Then, you'll see an estimate of your portfolio's growth and if you're on pace to meet your target. Don't be discouraged if you fall short at first. You can adjust the parameters to see what you'll need to do to reach your goal. Maybe you can try to contribute more money into your account each month or change up your mix of investments. Whatever you do, just remember to update your plan as your circumstances change so you'll have a more accurate view of your progress. Whether you set a goal or not, you'll want to keep an eye on how your investments are performing. For that, head over to the Portfolio tab. You'll see their current or market value, the price you paid for them, called the book value, and how much they've gained or lost since you started. Scroll down to see how each of your individual stocks and ETFs are doing. You can sort them by using different criteria to get a clearer picture of your portfolio. Now, you'll notice some investments perform better than others, and when that happens, you might have more money tied up in just a few holdings. This can throw off your investment plan, just like the ocean waves rocking a boat off course. For example, let's say you want a portfolio that's half Canadian stocks and half international stocks. The Canadian stocks perform really well one year and rise in value, but the international stocks you choose don't do so well and fall in value. Your portfolio might now be 60% Canadian stocks and 40% international stocks. If you leave it this way, you might end up taking on more investment risks than you're comfortable with, and your investment returns might be much different than expected over time. So you'll probably want to do something called rebalancing every so often. That's when you buy and sell investments to return your portfolio to the mix of securities you want. This isn't something you'll need to do if you hold a one-click ETF portfolio that aligns with your investor profile. But if you're building a portfolio with individual stocks and ETFs instead, it's very important. Tap the Allocation tab to see a breakdown of your holdings by asset class, geography, dollar value, and percentage. You might buy more of the investments that now make up a smaller portion of your portfolio, or sell some of the investments that make up a larger portion. That way, you can return your portfolio to plan. Many investors rebalance their portfolios once or twice a year, but you can choose to do so as often as you like. Once your portfolio is lined up with your plan, there's just one more thing to do, and that's keep investing. Just like our boat in the ocean, the more you row, the closer you'll get to shore, and before you know it, you'll be sipping on an ice-cold drink on the beach, enjoying all the hard work that's paid off.